So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on dividend reinvestments here in the Wealthsimple mobile application. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, I go to the profile tab at the bottom right, press on that little icon. So press on the profile tab here. Then once you're on this screen, I want you to go all the way down to where it says automations. I want you to press on where it says automations right here. Then once you're on this screen, I want you to go down to where it says dividend reinvestments and press on dividend reinvestments right here. Then once you're in this screen where it says non-registered, for which is my account, I can go ahead and press on that. I can then go ahead and press on this right here, which automatically turns dividend reinvestments on, automatically reinvest dividends for all eligible equities in your non-registered account. So then once that is done, you can just back out. And now, as you can tell, the dividend reinvestments are now turned on in my non-registered account here on Wealthsimple Trade. So that is how you guys can turn on dividend reinvestments here in Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.